Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I am standing on our 2022 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Wanted you to get a great look at how massive this boat is. We have a 10'7" beam, over 32 feet in length, and we did this boat in a beautiful black Sea Ray signature hull color, which looks really sharp in this boat. We also have triple Mercury 225 Verados on the back and black as well, so very nice look in this boat. So come aboard and let's check out everything. We're now on the back of our Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard, and really want you to take notice of how expansive this beam is on the boat. We have our filler cushion in and our L-shaped seating in our dune interior color, and creates a great sun lounge area if you want it. And then with the push of a button, your sure shade will retract out and keep everybody out of the sun and nice and cool in the summertime. As we come forward, we'll see our summer kitchen with our Kenyon electric grill on board, and then our fridge freezer below, and a nice little sink with a Corian countertop to really set the tone on this boat. Some more seating behind the captain's chairs, and then a lot of convertible seating on this boat with switch backrest here, and then your captain's seat will fit two very comfortably. As you notice, we have our windshield open right now. We have isinglass or weather curtains that will cover that entire boat as well on the aft, so you'll have 360 degrees of coverage whether a storm comes up or you like to extend your boating into the winter time. As we look at the dash, notice everything is very flush and nicely outfitted with our twin 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotters. Have our new throttle system by Mercury on here, which has your active engine trim and transfer throttle only, everything uploaded into here. And then the signature Mercury joystick, which will give you your skyhook, autopilot, and auto heading all built into your one unit. This boat also is outfitted with your electronic trim tabs that are automatic, so they'll adjust according to your weight on your boat. And then you'll have cockpit AC and cabin AC. So let's head down to the cabin and check out the most expansive part of this boat. When Sea Ray redesigned the Sundancer series, they really wanted to add the daytime entertaining space outside, but then also still give you that comfortable cabin that sleeps four. As you'll notice, we have the VIP berth per se with our filler cushion in, and then when you take that filler cushion out, a nice dinette table will raise up, give everybody some inside entertaining space in the AC, and then lots of natural light on this boat, so it keeps everybody really happy, and then you can block out with your shades. Also have another fridge and microwave on this boat in the cabin, and then also have a very nice private head on board with a vacuum flush overboard discharge head, nice pointed sink, mirrors, and more natural light throughout on this boat. All these windows have portholes that open to give you that wind if you don't have to use the generator on board. And then below us we'll have our aft cabin, which will have two separate singles that will form together with filler cushions to create a nice queen size bed. So let's go out on the bow and really check out where Sea Ray's improved this boat. We're now heading up to the bow of the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard, and this is really where everybody loves the new redesign by Sea Ray. So in the older Sea Rays, you had to climb over the windshield to get to the bow, couldn't go around the sides, and it created a lot of unease when you were underway or just not a lot of comfortable seating up on the bow. But now you see how Sea Ray's integrated three very nice seats on board here. Great layout. Still have your high bow rail to keep everybody contained and comfortable. And then you can add your cockpit table on board here to have all your drinks and hors d'oeuvres on. And then this also has a bow shade, which will complete the boat to be completely shaded if you wanted it to. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and hope you have a great day.